In this video, I'm going to show you how to use 1Password Vault for all your clients' accounts, making account management simpler and more secure. Stick with me till the end for a special offer that will make this whole process easier for you. The first thing you need to do is set up a vault for each of your clients. Vaults in 1Password let you organize all your clients' credentials in separate, secure spaces. You can access them easily and you won't risk mixing up sensitive information. To get started, sign into your account and create a new vault by clicking on Add Vault and naming it after the client. Once your vault is set up, start adding the necessary login credentials for their accounts. You can do this manually by clicking New Item and entering the website, username, and password. Alternatively, you can import passwords from other managers or from a CSV file. This is super helpful if you're transitioning from another software. Remember, 1Password automatically generates strong passwords when you add a new entry, ensuring your client's account stays secure. Next, let's talk about sharing vaults. If you have a team, sharing access to a vault is seamless. All you need to do is click Share Vault and select which team members or colleagues should have access. You can also control whether they can just view or edit the vault, providing you with full control over who can make changes. One of the best features of using 1Password Vault for all your clients' accounts is the ability to organize items within the vault. You can create tags for different types of accounts like email, social media, financial tools, etc. This makes searching and finding specific credentials super easy, which is crucial when you're managing several accounts at once. Now, let's talk security. You'll want to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for extra security. When you go to the security section of your vault, you can enable 2FA for sensitive accounts. This adds a layer of protection, making sure that only authorized users can access the account, even if the password is compromised. The last thing I recommend is using the Watchtower feature. This will alert you if any of your clients' accounts have weak passwords, reused passwords, or if there's a known breach. Watchtower constantly scans your vault to ensure you're following best practices for account security. If you're still using multiple tools to manage clients' accounts, I highly recommend switching to 1Password Vault. It simplifies everything, keeping everything in one secure place. Plus, if you want to try out the software I've mentioned, check out the exclusive free trial link in the description below, available only for viewers of my channel. The key takeaway from today is that 1Password Vault can make managing multiple client accounts easy and secure. Create separate vaults for each client, add and organize credentials, enable two-factor authentication, and use Watchtower to ensure security. If you haven't yet, take advantage of that exclusive free trial I've linked below and start streamlining your account management today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.